Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Copart app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Copart is an online vehicle auction platform that allows individuals, dealers, and businesses to buy and sell cars, trucks, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The app provides access to live auctions, detailed vehicle listings with high-resolution images, real-time bidding, and auction tracking features. Users can create watch lists, receive notifications, and manage bids efficiently, making it easier to participate in auctions from anywhere. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Copart's extensive inventory of vehicles and the convenience of participating in auctions remotely. The real-time bidding feature and notifications help buyers stay competitive, while detailed vehicle reports provide transparency on condition and history. Dealers and frequent buyers find the app particularly useful for sourcing inventory quickly. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that registration, membership fees, and buyer fees can be confusing or costly. Limited access in certain regions may restrict participation, and new users may face a learning curve when navigating auctions or understanding bidding rules. In summary, the Copart app may be worth using if you want a convenient way to participate in vehicle auctions, access a wide range of inventory, and manage bids efficiently. However, if you are looking for free listings without fees or do not want to navigate auction rules, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.